Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog of Vlogtober. Yesterday I took the day off. Last week, even though you didn't see it, was very, very rough for me. And I needed a break yesterday. So today is Sunday and I'm in the car because I cleaned out all my clothes yesterday because they were just like overwhelming me and my whole bedroom. Our room in this house is very small, and so anything excess is too much. So I'm at the donation drop-off right now and I'm donating the bags, and then I've had this black tub here that it's full of stuff that I've been wanting to donate, so that will feel good to get that gone. And then I don't know what else we'll get up to today. I am working on laundry at home. It's just like a mom day, you know, do all of the things kind of Sundays. So we'll see what we get up to today. Okay, I always love when I drop stuff off at the Goodwill. It's like almost you can feel the weight come off just a little bit. Too bad it wasn't like real fat weight. Wouldn't that be nice? Anyway, I don't know if you guys know this, but we bought our house, let's see, a year ago in June. So just over a year and what, 3 months, 4 months. And we bought it, and then I left for 4 months, like right after we bought the house. And I didn't get time to like unpack it or anything like that. I just was able to make it livable for my family for the time being. And if you're new here, maybe in another vlog, I'll go into details about where I was and what I was doing, and a lot to say about that situation actually. So let me know if you want to know about it in the comments. But it was actually an interesting experience. If you go back on my channel, you'll see a few videos about it. But what has transpired afterwards is been very heartbreaking. So anyway, back to my story. When I left the house in boxes. The basement was completely full of stuff. Our garage is still completely full of stuff. So I came home, and then it was the holidays, and then like right at the new year, we started to immediately remodel our house. And so I'm still living in boxes downstairs. Still, it's just, so I've been going through like my home decor stuff and just what I can, and getting rid of it or selling it or doing whatever. So that's what I've been kind of doing. I did a lot of it when I came home. A lot of it. I took probably like 8 carloads to the donation center, and I sold so much stuff. But it's weird because this house is twice the size as our old house, like the house we were renting, but for some reason it feels like we are busting at the seams. It's so bizarre to me. Like our old house, our boys shared a room. In our old house, we did have our garage, but we were able to park one car in the garage and we used the rest for storage. But we had this little shed out in the backyard, which we stored like all of our home decor stuff in, and just stuff like random things like anyway, long story short, we're still working on it and it's still a mess. And so I'll take you in the basement later today and just kind of show you what I'm working with. It's very embarrassing and it's very overwhelming because there's just a lot of stuff. And my other problem we're having is like getting rid of garbage, because we really should have, like, well, we wanted to order a large dumpster to just keep at our house until all of our remodeling stuff was done. But that was so expensive. By the time, if we would have rented one this whole time, we would be over probably $10,000 just for the garbage. And so it's just ridiculous. It just wasn't feasible. It wasn't feasible to rent the garbage cans. So what we've been doing is just, you know, we don't have a truck or trailer either, and so we've been borrowing those, or my husband is a painter, so they have a bunch of painting vans, and we've just been like, the ones that are empty, that they don't care, like we've just been putting like all of the stuff in there and taking it to the dump and whatever. So we only have one like garbage can that the garbage people pick up every week, and so we can't really fill that up with garbage other than like the household garbage stuff that will stink up the house, and you get what I'm saying. So it's kind of been like a long process, but we're getting there slowly but surely. We are getting there. I don't do well with clutter and chaos, and it seems like my family just, they could live in it and not be a care in the world. But I can totally tell that it affects me like lots of other aspects in life, which I'm sure a lot of you could agree with. So anyway, I just thought I would share that with you. Like, I have been purging. I feel like my gut's out. That's like the third clothing. Well, I got rid of all of my clothing, like every single bit of it, except for what I came home from my little experience with. I got rid of everything. And then I had to buy stuff. And now I'm just getting rid of some of that stuff because I'll just talk about it later. My body is fluctuating big time, and yeah, it's a whole nother story. But anyway, I just thought I would share that. If you care, if you don't care, that's great too. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys at home. I'm not the best at this stuff, but I want to be good at it, so I have to practice. So stay tuned. See if this is another epic fail, baking fail. Hopefully not, but I've just been cleaning, as you've seen, doing laundry, all the fun stuff that we need to do to get ready for the week. Bread is risen again. This is so exciting for me. I can never get past the rising part. So I'm gonna just divide this up and put them in 2 of these. The girl who makes this, if you don't follow her, she always puts them in mini pans, but I don't have any of those. But if this works out, I'll probably buy some, because I love how she, they're just like the perfect size for like a sandwich bread. This is gonna make like really big pieces of bread. So anyway, I just thought I'd update you that it did rise again. And I have a chicken pot pie in the oven. If you have not bought the chicken pot pie from Sam's Club or Costco, you should, because they're good. The one from Sam's is a little bit better in my opinion than the Costco one, but they're both still good. Okay, the verdict of the bread. Tastes good. I could have cooked it a little bit longer, I think. But I was so worried about it overcooking, and it said it wanted it to look like this on the sides and on the bottom, but it's just a tad bit doughy, but all over good. You can find this recipe on her Instagram all the time. She's always sharing it, so just look up the Food Nanny, or actually you probably can find it on our website too. But anyway, success. Maybe just cook it a little bit longer next time. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go for today. Thanks for coming along with me on this Sunday, and I hope you guys have a good week, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. See ya.